So hello, welcome to my studio. We are here today to draft up another pattern. Well, yeah. You remember this one from my other video? If you don't, then you should check it out. So we've got a lot of my dad's old shirts and I want to take 3 of them and I'm going to make a dress, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a big skirt. Hopefully if I have enough fabric, it's going to be really cute. And then what I want to do, make a top like this that is like gathered, okay? So it like has a bunch of this going on. You know, it has a bunch of that going on. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to add elastics to the side of it, like just one elastic that is like the length that I need, and then I'm going to have fabric that is longer than that elastic, and I'm going to stretch it out and sew it together, and then when you leave it, it's going to shrink the fabric and you're going to have like a gathered top. So here's the thing, we have 3 colors, okay? We have just a light blue, then we have a medium dark blue, and then we have a dark gray-ish top. I don't know where to put which color. I'm thinking of using all 3 for the skirt. We've got some patchwork fabric, which looks horrible, but not all 3 for the top. Ta-da! Okay, das war's auch schon. But I'm afraid that's gonna make it look odd. I don't know. Help me. Help me. Okay, now I need to take everything apart. That's gonna take me ages. So I think I'm gonna start with that while watching something. Oh god, that's gonna take so long. But what can you do? I want to do it properly this time. Okay, I'm gonna record this now because I will be too lazy to do it tomorrow and I just want to continue once I get up. I'm gonna show you how far I've gotten. This is something that took me quite a lot of time, especially this one. I think it took me 3 hours to take apart that one. Now you can see I have a collar and like a front part. I have like a collar area 3 times, okay? See, this is proof. 3 collars, 4 shoulders because the other one has long sleeves. And then I have this, which is what I've been thinking, probably going to be the main part of my skirt. Transition to the next day where it's sunny and everything's nice, and it's probably not gonna be sunny because I live in Germany. Das wird safe voll die geile Transition. I attached the belt. It's now a skirt almost. Well, there's kind of a lot of excess. I don't know what to do. I don't think I like this, to be honest. Look at it. Oh, I still need to close it up. How am I even going to... I'm gonna have to attach a button and then... Yeah, just give me a second. This looks ugly. So much work. For what? For nothing. As you can see, it does not fit. We're gonna change a few things and then I will return back to you. I'm only now realizing that it is actually not that ugly and I should have just kept going. I consulted with my assistant designer and she said that it looks like a Turkish teyze skirt / dress / balloon. So we're gonna scratch that whole design and we're gonna make like maybe a two-piece, but probably not. Probably a skirt, a low-waisted skirt, because it really looks horrible, and I'm gonna wear it at home most likely, and it's gonna be my Tese skirt. And yeah, so let's take it apart again. Woo! My brother also confirmed, by the way, that it looks like a Tese skirt, because apparently the fabric, but I don't know. I thought I was onto something, but I guess I was wrong. Okay, let's just get this over with, because I'm really disappointed. I've been putting it off for a few weeks now. I have this beautiful top part. I made puffy sleeves out of the existing really big sleeves. This is a very, very short top, which I don't really know where to wear this. I think this could work under like a corset so that the sleeves poke out. But other than that, I don't think I have much use for this. So that's that. They're not even the same size, the arms. Like this one's a bit more stretched out. Whatever. And then we've got the skirt, which is a horrible looking skirt. I don't even think I will wear this at home. It's that bad. Even putting this on was a struggle, I'm gonna be honest. But it's a skirt. I think the top is kind of making it look worse. Let me show you a skirt, as you can see, but not one that I really like. I can maybe try it on with a different top to demonstrate how it would look. Wait, can you see? This should work better. This is the top. The skirt, I'm sorry, it was difficult to put on because this doesn't have any like zippers or anything. I have to put it over my head, otherwise I can't get into it, because as you can see it does sit over my hips. So I think I messed up when I separated the two. Not that I will wear this like that, I don't think I would, which means it doesn't really matter, but this obviously looked better than the skirt situation we got going on. I know that even for something I wear at home, this is still just too ugly to wear, so yes. I sewed elastics for the first time, though. That's worth something. I wasted a lot of elastics for the first time as well. Thank you for letting me waste your time, and thank you for wasting my time. No, I imagined this to be a whole lot cuter. Also, if you might notice, this is nothing like the sketch that I had originally made, which might be due to the lack of fabric, but also the lack of skill and the lack of... This is just gonna go into the archives of fashion projects. One day when I'm a famous fashion designer, this is gonna be like put in a gallery, like, oh yeah, the beginnings of Edda Nur, the brand. But until then, this is just a waste of time. But stay tuned. Stay tuned and wait for it to land in a museum.